In this video, I will show you how to download and install utomp3 Pro on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So over here, I have your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, but it should work for any Hisense TV that you have. So what you just want to go ahead and do is to go to the App Store of your Smart TV. So just come down to this horizontal list of apps, and then you just want to scroll horizontally to the end of the list of app, and you're going to see the Hisense Vidaa Smart TV App Store over there. So you just want to go ahead and open up the App Store like so. And on the App Store, what you just want to go ahead and do is to go to the top search bar over here, this top search bar, and then you want to go ahead and search for IPT, or you can just search for utomp3 Pro. Now you can see the utomp3 Pro app on my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So what I can just go ahead and do is to click on it, and it's going to take me to this page where I can literally just install the utomp3 Pro. So I can just go ahead and click on OK to install it, and you can see that it has been installed and added to my home page. And now I can go ahead and open up the utomp3 Pro from here, or I can just go to the list of apps on my Hisense TV. And I will find the utomp3 Pro app in that particular list, so I can just go ahead and open it like so, and now I can log in with my username password. So basically, that is how to download and install utomp3 Pro on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.